All right, guys, so it's freezing cold up in Canada right now. Most of us have actually parked their car, stored it away, just like myself here, including the northern US. All you guys in New York or Colorado, but there is a few of you guys, they just have the big balls, actually really big balls, to actually driving your Civic right through the winter. But you know, mind you, a lot of guys with the Acura Type S, they drive theirs right to the winter here. I don't know why, but they do. It just, our winters are horrible. Anyways, for all of us that have stored our car away, I have the opportunity to show you guys CTEK's latest and greatest battery charger and maintainer. This is a good one, you guys. NXT 5. You'll need one of these. All right, so at SEMA this year, CTEK has launched their NXT line, and it's their latest and greatest development of their battery charger and maintainer and all that good stuff. And they're graciously, they gave us not one, but two this year. And I've been playing with the one. The other one I gave away for the Christmas. And I haven't had the draw yet at the time of this video was recorded. So be on the lookout. It's still, I still haven't did the draw yet. But I had the opportunity to play with it for quite a bit now, and I've replaced it with my old one. This one is great, so let's go over all the features and I want to show you guys. All right, you guys, so in the box, they include the U-clamps, so you can permanently connect this to your car. And of course, for convenience, they give you these heavy-duty clamps here. So if you have multiple cars and you don't want to fork out the extra money for multiple U-connectors, you can use this or just have a friend borrow it or whatever like that, right? But let's go over the key features. See, I connected mine here, so I have an extra one. Very, very convenient. Unplug it, ready to go. All right, so this is the unit itself. So the key features is basically it does lithium, AGM, small lead acid batteries. It reconditions and it maintains your battery once it fully charges, just like how mine is doing it right now. And it's one simple button. It's just a one button operation to toggle through the modes. So this is for if you have like ATVs or small batteries. This is for small batteries with AGM. Reconditioning it. Lithium for motorbikes or ATVs, small batteries. Cars, lead acid right now. Cars with AGM, reconditioning, and then lithium car batteries. So simple to operate, you guys. And then once you plug it in, let me just leave that there. Let's toggle back to lithium car, because mine is lithium. And all I do with the U-clamp, or just clamp it in with your clamps that they supply. And see now it automatically just does it all for you, just very, very dummy proof. And it's checking right now to see if the lithium battery can take the charge. So cool, it'll take a couple minutes, and if it doesn't, it'll light up red here. And right now it's currently green because it's still checking, and then it'll start charging. It's full right now. Then once it's full, let's say if it's dead and it's fully full, and it'll hop over to, it'll just switch over to care here, which is the maintenance mode, and then it'll just leave it, set it, and then forget it, and you're good to go. Okay, so and finally it says that it's good, the battery's good, and it's willing to take the charge, so it switched over to charge. So good on that, you guys.
Very nice.
All right, you guys, so if you follow my channel, you know I don't like to commercialize, or I don't like to promote stuff that I don't believe in, and stuff that, or products that I don't use personally myself. This, I tell you, you don't need the CTEK. Listen to the people. The people say, we don't need so many units. One for AGM, one for lithium, one for lead acid. Can we get one, just one unit, all in one? And then they listen and they delivered. So a lot of us, for performance, weight saving, we change our batteries out to lithium. Lithium is great, like fantastic, cheapest bang for your buck for weight savings compared to, let's say, weight reduction. Let's say if you buy a carbon fiber wing. Carbon fiber wings, probably in the probably in the 3,000 range. And how much are you actually saving from the OEM compared to this battery? You put it in, huge weight savings at a fraction of the cost. But they're great when they work, but when they fail, or a lot of us we don't know how to maintain this battery. When it fails and it drops the voltage, it's pretty much kaput. Anti-gravity and some other brands have came out with that push start, the restart battery button. Just like in the S2K, we had one in that one too. It's just the smaller one. Partially it's my fault. I let it drain, thinking the push start will actually help me get out of a bind. And it went kaput and it just didn't work. They do fail, then nothing is bulletproof, you guys. It did fail. When you're running on a lithium battery or any kind of battery, you should plug it in to your CTEK charger of any sort, or the NXT5. This is my go-to for sure, you guys. Let me show you. So as you can see, there's no battery because we took the battery out. It's pretty much like brand new, you guys. So we sent that out back to anti-gravities for warranty. Hopefully everything gets resolved with there. Definitely my fault, you guys. I didn't plug it to get it maintained. If I plugged it in from day one, none of that would happen. So as for the Civic, I did charge it. I plugged it into a maintainer and no issues at all. This is always fully charged. And I have tried it because I did let it drain all the way, and then the restart works too. So with the lithium battery, even if you plugged it in and it's already drained or it went dormant, because what happens is it's actually not dead. It just went dormant to save the battery, because not like a lead acid or a AGM. If it goes too low, it will kill it will go kaput. So what happens to save itself, it basically goes into dormant mode. With this new NXT5, you can wake up that battery if you don't have the restart button here, because some lithium batteries don't have that, and it will not take a charge, you guys. That lithium battery, if you don't know, I'm telling you now, it will go kaput. It will go into sleep mode. Even if you plug it in, like, oh, it's dead, I'm gonna plug it in. Even with any kind of charger, including the CTEK, it will not take the charge. But CTEK, with this one, it has a mode where you hold the button down. It basically wakes up. It's pretty much the restart button, but built into this. So you plug it all in, hold the button down, and it'll wake it up. You'll see it. Everything will turn on, and then it'll wake it up, and then it'll basically does its check, and then it'll start taking the charge, you guys. If you don't have that, if you plug in any other brand charger, it will not wake it up. It won't, you guys, and it won't take the battery. The battery won't take the charge. So this is an awesome feature, and I did use it. I tried it on the other one, but unfortunately, it's let it drain too long. Even though it woke it up, it just wouldn't take a charge, and it just kept on giving me an error code with this red one here. All right, the CTEK NXT5, you guys. I'm a firm believer, and this is my go-to for sure. Like I said, I don't want to sound like a commercial, but this is the all-in-one supercharger. Yeah, it's sick. And then my car is always taken care of now. Never again that battery's gonna die. Like I said, if you don't believe me, the Civic Type R, especially the FL5 or even the E5, the ECU is always on. It's always reading. It's always doing something underneath it, even if your car is not on. It's on, and it will drain your battery. If you don't believe me, leave your car. Don't plug it in. Oh my Lord. 1 second. Okay, what was I saying? So yeah, don't plug it in or anything. And if you leave it within 2 weeks, I've tested it, within 2 weeks, your battery will be done. So you won't be able to start your car. So just do yourself a favor. Just get yourself a CTEK charger, especially the NXT5. You'll thank me later, you guys. So with that said, I do have a giveaway still going on right now. I haven't picked out any winners yet. I will probably do it on the next vlog. I will announce, I'll let you guys know. Whoever, check your Instagram DM. you'll get a message from me if you're a winner. Yeah, this thing is sick. It's not a want, it's a need. So thank you again, CTEK Canada, for sending me out not 1 but 2 units. I will be keeping 1 for myself this time around. And normally I do give them all away, but this is just too good to give away. Keep it for myself, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, you guys. Hit that hype button on the bottom of the new feature that they have. And do leave a comment and let me know what chargers you guys are using, if not the CTEK. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next week's vlog. See ya.